On the season 29 premiere of The View, Sunny Hostin delivered an emotional and passionate rebuke of Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s recent decision to limit access to COVID-19 vaccines. For Hostin, this issue is not abstract or political, it's deeply personal. She reminded viewers that her husband Emmanuel Hostin's parents died of COVID-19 just 3 days apart in late 2021, a loss that continues to weigh heavily on her family. Hostin described their deaths as such a horrible loss that still leaves empty seats at the family table during holidays like Christmas and Thanksgiving. She stressed that restricting access to vaccines will only lead to more unnecessary deaths and accused RFK Jr. of spreading dangerous misinformation that harms children, seniors, and vulnerable populations. Hostin also shared a troubling anecdote from her own family to highlight how these restrictions are already playing out. She revealed that her aunt, a retired teacher over 65 with health complications, was denied a COVID vaccine at both CVS and Walgreens because she did not have a prescription. Hostin warned that these barriers put lives at risk, particularly for older adults and those with underlying conditions. While she acknowledged that one bright side might be people turning to alternative, science-based sources for health guidance, she emphasized that the damage caused by Kennedy's policy is real and immediate. She praised the West Coast Health Alliance, a coalition of California, Washington, Oregon, and Hawaii, for working together to provide vaccine recommendations grounded in science rather than politics. Whoopi Goldberg echoed Hostin's outrage, criticizing the government for what she called playing Russian roulette with the lives of children. She pointed out the everyday realities of schools, where one child's illness can quickly spread to classmates and families. By stripping away vaccine mandates, Goldberg argued, leaders are essentially disregarding the health of kids, parents, and grandparents alike. She stressed that these public health protections exist for a reason, and abandoning them sends a clear message of indifference toward American families. Hostin's remarks also revisited the heartbreaking story she first shared in 2021 when she revealed on The View that her father-in-law, Dr. A. Emmanuel, and mother-in-law, Dr. Maria Jesus, died after contracting COVID-19. At that time, she urged the public to take the virus seriously, warning that even healthy people could unknowingly transmit it to loved ones. She begged viewers to social distance, wear masks, wash their hands, and get vaccinated if given the chance. That plea has only grown more urgent now, as she sees restrictions on vaccines resurface under RFK Jr.'s leadership. For Hostin, this fight isn't political. It's about preventing other families from experiencing the same profound grief that hers still carry.